Hi, Falcon Tech students. I'm here to give you a quick review of what you do when you've filled out the FRCC application and you had to leave the application, or you somehow got booted out of the application, or you have some changes to make, like adding your social security number or something like that. So you notice that I'm at the home page, frontrange.edu. We're going to go to Getting In. Then we're going to click on Admissions. And at this point, it looks like we're starting over to fill out the application, but we're not. We're just going through some of the same steps. So we're again going to click on High School Student. It's going to take us to the High School Student page where we will select Boulder County Campus. And from here, we will click on Apply for Admission. So again, it seems like we're starting over, but that's because we want to finish the application. So click on Finish your application. And at this point, instead of creating an account or clicking on Forgotten Password, which you could use if you've forgotten the password that you entered yesterday or the day before. But remember, this password was the one you entered after you entered your email. So you will type in your St. Vrain email address, and then you will type in the password that you entered and confirmed when you were setting up your account yesterday, and click Sign In. If you have any problems getting back into the system, make sure you use the Forgot Your Password link. You also set up yesterday a security question and a security answer, so that could help you to reset your password, and then you would be able to reaccess your application and finish that. So remember to go through all the pages, the academic pages, your personal information pages. Make sure you've answered all the questions. If the application gives you a red box, it will identify what isn't quite correct. And if you have any questions about that or need assistance with that, please let me know. I'll go ahead and type in my email address for you, so that you have it. Okay, it's beth.wheeler@frontrange.edu. And you can email me and ask questions. And I'm happy to make an appointment with you. We could meet in WebEx and you could show me what's going on and we could work through the problem together. All right, so if you have any questions, let me know. If you have any questions, you can ask Ms. March or Ms. Zakovic. Also use them as your resources, of course. And I hope you all have a great rest of your bridge program and summer, and I will talk to you very soon. Take care.